This is the H.30 handpiece. This is the most popular Foredom handpiece, and the reason for that is it's comfortable and it's the easiest, I think, to change. You can hold it when you're doing like grinding really easily like this. You can hold it with the pencil form pretty easily. You can get in there fairly close, but if you look, you can only put the bits in there so far. So they're going to stick out a little ways. You can't get right in there like you can with some other handpieces. This is the H.28, which is a fairly slim handpiece. If you're used to the Dremel or the Chinese versions, and you compare this, it's going to be similar. So that might be more familiar to you. But comparing both of these in actual use, using these large bits in this little handpiece, it's not nearly as good. You get much more inertia with this huge piece of metal in here spinning off these big bearings that really drives this. So you get a lot more cutting action out of it. The smaller piece is great for doing like finer work, but I find this runs a lot truer, mainly because of the inertia there. It's just so much mass spinning. And if you're doing stuff like I use these guarded plastic wheels to trim animal claws. Works great because this is all pretty much protected there, and I get a lot to hold on to. So as with all of the quick disconnect, quick connect Foredom accessories, it goes right in there, and it's very easy to change with the chuck key. You just gotta usually do a little bit of a turn there, and then you're done. Very simple. Compare that to most of the other hand pieces like this one, which you have to stick in a pin, then you have to find the nut with the wrench and turn it, and then they usually get stuck. You got to push them in and pull them out. It's a lot more work. So this one is just very simple and very convenient, and you can use it with accessories such as the drill press. I've got that. The little angle grinder. There's a belt sander. There's a filer. They all use the 30 handpiece, so it's pretty much a must-have for Foredom users.